Hello, I'm Jessica and welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to show you a super exciting Ikea Maximera drawer hack that you might not know exists. We were told by Ikea that it's not gonna work, but out of sheer bullheadedness, we decided to go ahead and try it anyway. I'm gonna show you how we got it to work. If you're curious on what didn't work out for us, be sure to stay till the end of the video and I can definitely show you there. So inside our drawer, we were able to add one medium drawer with two hidden drawers inside of a 15-inch or 40-centimeter drawer front. We followed Ikea's directions on where to place all of our drawer slides except for the second hidden drawer, which goes here, which is using row 18, using the same hole location as the drawer above it. And I just wanted to bring your attention that the hidden drawers are inset. The Ikea directions tell you to have these fasteners facing this way, pretty much facing the sticker. You will do this for the bottom hidden drawer, and for the top hidden drawer, you will switch these fasteners around so that they're facing away from this sticker, but you will still use the exact same hole locations and screw locations, so you won't have to drill anything.
If you have the stickers at the bottom, these things actually get flipped.
Yeah, so whichever way is easier for you to think about. But that way, the one that's like the direction goes on the lower hidden drawer, and the one where these guys are flipped or the board is flipped, whichever makes more sense, goes on the top. So as you can see, every other Ikea drawer has you put the front on by the sticker at the bottom. And here you can't even see the sticker because it's actually below this. But on this one, in order to make it fit here, we need to have the sticker on the top. So there you go. And we wanted to show you how to remove the hidden drawer if you need to change something up. So you push that metal piece up and turn the screwdriver, and that's what releases this front fastener. And now for some troubleshooting tips. If you notice that your hidden drawer front is not seating properly, use a screwdriver to push up this tab, turn it counterclockwise to get this X in the correct location so it's ready to receive your drawer fasteners. Here we attached the second hidden drawer in the wrong location, so it didn't fit. After that, we decided to move up the top hidden drawer and it hit this metal rail. It wouldn't seat properly. Then if you follow our directions but don't flip the top correctly, it also will not fit. If you follow our directions and your top hidden drawer is not going in properly, remove this plastic cover in the back. That is what is stopping the top drawer from sliding in all the way. I hope that this video was helpful. If you have any comments or questions or tips, please be sure to leave them below so I can answer them, and I hope you have a great day. Cheers! Love you!